First boot camp, I weighed 120 pounds. When I graduated, I was 160 pounds.
Looking back, Brian Amberge says serving in the Marine Corps made him a man.
Here I was, just a kid from Knott County, and come back a Marine, and proud as I could be of it.
But what if part of what built him could be to blame for what he says is breaking him down? Memory loss, tremors, tooth decay. Still, he knows others are worse off than he is.
We signed that dotted line saying that we would put our lives on the line. We did not sign our wives, our husbands, our children to be poisoned by the United States government.
U.S. government officials have admitted water at Camp Lejeune was contaminated for decades with toxins from leaking storage tanks on the base and an off-base dry cleaner. The Department of Veterans Affairs acknowledges those exposed as veterans who served on the base at least 30 days total between August 1st, 1953 and December 31st, 1987. Amberge says he spent 3 months there for combat engineer training.
We had to keep hydrated, so lots and lots of water. It had a little bit of smell to it and had a funny taste, but being from the country, I grew up with well water, so I didn't really hardly know the difference between that and city water.
The Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry estimates as many as 1 million military and civilian staff and their families might have been exposed to the contaminated drinking water.
Kentucky, we were right here on the bottom.
Close to 4,400 people are registered for notifications on the issue, although that's not necessarily only those exposed. A law passed in 2012 provides health care coverage for 15 conditions for veterans and family members who lived on the base. Veterans are also eligible for disability compensation for 8 conditions presumed to be related to the contamination.
TCE causes cancer.
Dr. Ray Dorsey, a neurologist and co-author of the book Ending Parkinson's Disease, says TCE, one of the chemicals found in the water at Camp Lejeune, is known to cause health problems.
And TCE increases your risk of Parkinson's disease by 500%. Contaminates up to 30% of groundwater in the United States. And we think it's a major contributor to the rise of Parkinson's disease.